This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure Cambio Srt is installed and updated. This prevents format mismatches. Once done, place the video and the SRT in one folder and verify the subtitle file name or timestamp offsets. Now open Cambio, create a new project, import the video, then import the SRT file so the editor can map timecodes. You do this first to lock media into the timeline. It lets you preview subtitles in sync before any edits. Next, focus on aligning and refining timings so the subtitles read naturally. You'll use the audio waveform and frame-by-frame, stepping to nudge start and end points, making sure lines don't cut mid-phrase. Then adjust durations by frames or milliseconds, and use batch shift when whole segments are off by a constant offset. At the same time, edit text inline for clarity and apply or override style templates for consistent appearance. This ensures readability. Finish by exporting your subtitle file in the required format, standard, SRT for separate tracks or a burned-in video for delivery. Make sure to select the correct character set, typically UTF-8, and run the built-in preview, then verify in an external player to confirm sync across devices. If you find desync, apply a batch shift or retime the affected ranges and re-export. Keep a backup copy of the original SRT before major changes so you can revert if something goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.